Elsa, I'm feeling so hungry while watching TV. Yes, Aurora, I'm feeling so hungry. I also want to eat something very exciting, nothing boring. Mama, can you please come here? I want to eat some. What happened, little Elsa and Aurora? Why you guys are shouting? What do you want to eat? Tell me. Mommy, I want French fries. No, Auntie, I want popcorn. Elsa, Aurora, why are you both fighting? I'm not going to listen to both of you. I'm going to cook something which is a surprise for you. Okay? Stop fighting, you both. I wonder what happened to Elsa. Why is she getting angry on the kids? Poor kids. I think I'll ask her once she's here in the... Anna, look at these girls. Now these girls are fighting over food. First of all, they don't have proper food, and now they want junk food. That too, two things. One is French fries and one is popcorn. Now let's change for making it. It's okay, Elsa. As it is, we are ready to cook right now. We can make both of them. It will be a big surprise for the girls. Both of them will be happy now. Okay? So Elsa, you can start with the preparation of the French fries. I can start with the preparation of the popcorn. I'll put the popcorn in the microwave. By then you'll be done with the preparation. And then I'll fry the French fries. Okay? Sounds good, Anna. I'll do the washing, the peeling and the cutting of the potatoes. In the meantime, you can make the instant popcorn. And once you're done, you can take these potatoes and fry them. Sure, Elsa. Let me take out the instant popcorn and the potato from the refrigerator. I've taken out the popcorn. And Elsa, can you please take these potatoes? Thanks, Anna. Let me wash the potatoes. Now let me peel the potatoes. Now finally let me cut the potatoes into French fries form. Elsa has already prepared for the French fries. Now let me quickly put the instant popcorn inside the oven and let's make the popcorn. While the popcorn is getting ready, I'll quickly fry the French fries. See, Elsa, I'm done with making popcorn and French fries. Wasn't it quick enough? Yes, Anna, it is a collaborative work. See, now kids are sad. Anna, I suggest you go and surprise the kids. They'll be very happy after. Kids? Oh, kids! What are you guys doing? See, I have a big surprise for you. Oh, little Elsa and Aurora, don't make sad faces. You wanted French fries and you wanted popcorn, right? And here it is. Oh, wow, Aunt Anna, my favorite popcorn. Thank you so much for making it. And wow, Aunt Anna, thank you so much. My favorite French fries you have made. Thank you, thank you, thank you.